students, let us see how to analyze this poem. That means critical appreciation of the poem, The Wet. First point is poem and poet. The poem Wet is written by Guy Boss. Theme or central idea. The illness various animals suffering from and the difficulties of a vet are mentioned in this poem. The poet really talks highly about the sincerity, skill and knowledge of a vet. He wants to praise the ability and perseverance of a vet in varied and complex problems affecting the animal fraternity and how he has to deal with them. Then structure and stanzas. If you see the stanzas and structure of the poem, stanzas are also unequal length and lines are of also unequal length. Stanzas 1, 2, 3 and 8, 9 are similar and they are of 4 lines each, and the stanzas 4, 5, 6 and 7 are of 6 lines each. Rhyme and rhythm. Rhyme scheme is A, B, C, D and so on for stanzas 1, 2, 3 and 8 and 9, and E, F, G, F and so on for stanzas 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now language and imagery. If you see the language, it is simple and witty language. Vivid images of animals with different problems and all based on their body structures and abilities are described here. The poet has used a lot of pun in writing the verses and observed the animals and birds for a long time to understand their ways of behavior. And figures of speech. The main figures of speech used in this poem are alliteration, repetition, personification, hyperbole, inversion, etc. My favorite line. If you ask me which are my favorite line, I am going to tell you that profoundly I pity the vet who must learn such a very great deal for his pay. My son, I advise you most strongly to earn your living on an easier way. Because through this little language, the poet has highlighted the greatness of veterinarian, how difficult task it is to become a veterinarian is explained here. Why I like or dislike the poem. I like the poem since it makes one laugh along and the language is very simple. Rhyming words are very carefully selected and it adds beauty to the entire poem, and it's a motivational poem. So write down this critical appreciation and learn properly. Thank you.